Today, I learned something new, so I thought I'd share it. On your Commodore VIC-20 and also your Commodore 64, there are at least 4 hidden PETSCII characters. When I say hidden, they aren't inscribed on the keys like the other PETSCII characters on your Commodore 64 or your VIC-20. The 4 that we're going to look at are found by using the @ symbol, the asterisk symbol, that little up arrow symbol, and also the pound symbol keys. Today we'll be using the Commodore VIC-20, but the same characters can also be uncovered on your Commodore 64 or the C64. In your Commodore VIC-20 manual on page 142, the 4 characters are found on the poke screen codes chart. But when you turn the page over to 146 to the character chart, they're missing. And of course they're also missing on the keyboard as well. So firstly, we'll uncover the hidden characters by printing their corresponding character codes as follows. Notice this character is just the shifted @ symbol character, which you can also see on your character chart on page 147. But now, by pressing Commodore key and Shift key together, you get the check mark or tick character, which is not on the character chart, and of course it's not on your keyboard as well. Pressing the Commodore key and the Shift key changes the characters on the screen to lowercase, and each of these 4 symbols that we're looking at today are only available in lowercase mode. The same thing is with the next one, 127. Found on page 146, set it to lowercase and you get herringbone 1. Next, 169. On page 147, this can be found. Commodore key and Shift key, go into lowercase mode, you get the herringbone 2. And finally, 126. This shows the pi symbol, which we see on the keys of course, but then press the Commodore key and the Shift key and you get the checkerboard. Another way to access these hidden PETSCII characters, and of course a lot more easier, is simply by pushing Shift and then the key that we want to unlock. But the next one, this one you have to hold down the Commodore key and press asterisk. In lowercase mode, this makes that herringbone 1 symbol. Hold the Shift key and the pound key is the herringbone 2 symbol, and the Shift key and that little upward arrow thing, the checkerboard. Nice and simple. Oh, I learned this today, so I thought I'd just share it. And if there's any other hidden PETSCII characters on your Commodore 64 or your VIC-20, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.